Welcome to Avid Retro, and inside here is a Sony Walkman. It says WM-EX7 question mark. Yeah, that's the one. No idea what is wrong with this one. Let's see. Seems quite a nice solid Walkman. Looked like it had quite a fancy remote with it when it came out. This 65 hours is only if you use the internal battery and the caddy as well. Let's look at the outside then. So we have made in Japan, Dolby on or off. At the moment that's off. I'll stick it back off. There's the remote. Min Norm Max AVLS, auto volume limiter, hold, operation. So this looks like it really does need a remote for it to be useful. Maybe how many times you press that determines what mode you're in. Yeah, look, on here you can play and stop just by pressing it quickly. Fast forward is 2 presses, rewind is 3, repeat is 4. Hold it in to change direction. That's pretty neat actually. That's pretty neat. The fact that it's on there as well means if you do forget, you won't forget, because you can always refer to the back of the Walkman. Alright, maybe there's nothing wrong with this then. Let's get a cassette in there. At the same time, probably need a battery, and hopefully some of these have got power in. I'm going to find out shortly. It's positive is that way. Okay, press play then. Yeah, that's not doing anything. It could be that my battery's no good. Need a charge. Hold's definitely off. At the moment, it's kind of dead as a dodo. Battery compartment. It's hard to say. It's hard to say at that end. That end's okay. Let's just see we've got power in some of these batteries. .3. Yeah. How about that one? Yeah. So we've got power. So I suppose I should take the cassette out first and also pop this off. Kind of push that inside. If that screwdriver's better actually. No, okay. So normally, well, I expect that maybe pop off, but normally they come off like this, don't they? Like this. Ooh. Well, that's nice. What's the tension like on this bout? Yeah, it's gone a bit. I think I can see the problem straight away. Can you? Where my finger is, there's some corrosion. It's a nice, hopefully straightforward one. Just going to scratch here. It's not a terrible amount in there. It doesn't look like it's gone through, which is good. Often you'll find where there's corrosion, it'll just go through and maybe break with the board. So you sometimes have to repair that. These Sonys are really nice to change bouts on. Just a case of, yeah, lifting this up slightly to get access to the bout, pull it out, pop a new one on. When you're in here, it's probably worth just bending some of these contacts just to give a little bit more pressure. It's not doing anything at the moment. I'm just going to put the cassette back in. And press play. Turn in the tape. Off. Just going to bend those very slightly. It's not doing anything. Did you see that? It's almost like it's complaining about the bout now. You solve one problem and find another one. So maybe the bout, yeah, definitely needs changing. It should be enough to no, see, it's not even driving the tape now. Yeah, these Walkmans, any like this are worth saving. I'm just noticing that the socket here feels like it's quite well used, so maybe we will not get audio in the anticipated way. So let's just try this again. Come on. This is the volume here, isn't it? It's a staged switch. So 1 position, 2 position, 3. I don't like that really. I much prefer a kind of analog style volume. Okay, it is working. Oh, you can see that this particular, well, this one's MD Walkman. This is a mini disc one. That it's kind of facing the wrong way. That's not really kind of flush with the body, so I can't use that one. Just have to drive it from the manual controls. You can see the problem with the bout, look. We will do a sneaky bout change if I can find it. Always good to observe the way it goes, so it goes round the outside and then back round just the inside here and then back out again. So let's just go like that. Yeah, it's probably good to catch the bout at this stage. There's always something to get hooked up. And these will be very kind of standard sort of Sony sizes. It's looking like it here, isn't it? Right. And then we just pull that one. Oh yeah. It's lost its elasticity. Sort of taken a while to go back into shape. This one's better, much better actually. Just making sure you get past the posts. Various gotchas. Right, that's it. So that was another bout from Web Spare Parts, which seemed to be pretty good. Put my audio in now as well. Excellent. So I'm going to stop it, and now I'm going to rewind, so I need to press this 3 times. Okay, play. I was going to play anyway. Let's just try the auto reverse. Excellent. I think my battery's died. What I will say, this might not be a keeper just because of the socket. It's working fine, but it's just a little bit loose there. Right, I'm going to put this back together now. And there we have it, back together, and it will work when I put battery in, hopefully. Nice. So from a Walkman that looked like it was totally dead to one that's now playing and doing its auto reverse thing as well. That's great. So in the meantime, I'm going to source my other remotes to see if I've got one that will fit this way, this direction, so I can at least have a look at the settings on it. But I think that's a done one there. Thank you for watching the video. Please can you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will do some more videos in the future. See you later. Bye for now.